Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to solve the fix cannot start Microsoft Outlook. Cannot open the Outlook window. Invalid XML, the view cannot be loaded. Let's go start. Type Run in the Windows search box and press Enter. We'll open the Run dialog and type here for the following command. outlook.exe /resetnavpane. After completed typing and press Enter or OK click. Waiting for a few seconds. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon click and see your next updated video.